I know how frustrating it is when your printer just won't cooperate. Duplex printing not working on your brother device? Let's solve it together, step by step. First, check if your brother printer supports duplex printing. You can find this in your printer's manual or on the manufacturer's website. If it does, let's move on. On your computer, open the document you want to print. Click Print, then select your brother printer from the list. Now, click on Printer Properties or Preferences. Here, look for the option called Duplex Printing or Print on both sides. Make sure it's turned on. Still having trouble? Check if the printer driver is up to date. Go to Brother's official website, download the latest driver, and install it. Sometimes, the paper type matters. Duplex printing may not work with thick or glossy paper. Use standard paper for the best results. If nothing works, restart your printer and computer. This quick reset often fixes simple glitches, and that's it. With these easy steps, your brother printer should be printing double-sided again in no time. Happy printing!